Bun is the next new JavaScript framework competing with Nodejs and Deno. And if you've been looking at any new technologies lately, you might be wondering if something new would come without a personified object or animal, and the answer to that is no. Bun's primary advantage over Node.js is its speed. It promises 20 times faster package download speeds, 30 times faster package running speeds with Bun Run. It also claims to be batteries included with a built-in test runner, fetch included in the main level, WebSocket support, TypeScript support, auto loads environment variables, and a fast SQLite package. However, in the real world, usage of SQLite is minimal, and I personally typically will use Postgres, and so my go-to ORM client for that is Prisma. Unfortunately, when I tried to install Prisma, I got an error message basically saying that Bun is not supported. And looking at Prisma's lack of support for Deno, which came out 4 years ago, it's unlikely that it'll be supporting Bun anytime soon, although Prisma support is mentioned in the Bun's roadmap. This demonstrates Bun's underlying major problem, its lack of support. You could see this to begin by Googling Bun in your browser, and currently it is nowhere near the top of the search results. And while it claims to support NPM packages, there's lots of projects like Prisma that will not work with Bun. And just generally trying to fix problems that arise can be frustrating with the lack of community around Bun. Finally, the documentation for Bun consists of a README file on GitHub, which is not complete and claims that you should be using the Bun types package as your main source of documentation. If at this point you're still interested at Bun, then let's dive in. To get started, first you must install Bun. If you're on Mac, then running this command will install Bun in the terminal. And I assume it also works on Linux, however I'm not weird and haven't tested it out. If you're on Windows, however, then you're in trouble. You will have to install WSL onto your computer and then run that command. And then every time you will run your code, you'll have to run it inside of WSL. Once installed, we can create a new directory and then inside of it put our main.ts file. To get the type definitions for Bun, I will run bun add bun types inside of the terminal. Then back inside our main.ts file, we can export a default object that specifies the port as 3000 and a callback function named fetch. For this project, I'm just going to return a simple list of to-dos, and we can do that with JSON placeholder. Notice how we didn't have to import fetch as it comes pre-built into Bun. I'll store it into result and then create a new variable called to-dos, which is the JSON of that result. Finally, we will return the final object as a response, including the JSON stringified of our to-dos. Now if we go into terminal and run bunrun./main.tes and then navigate to localhost 3000 on your browser, you will see a list of all of those to-dos listed out. And it is worth mentioning that Bun does live up to the hype of those fast compile times. However, at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself, is that speed worth it? It's very cool to see more innovation trying to address Node.js's failures. However, it's still in beta, and support for Windows requires WSL. The 164 milliseconds faster use as a task manager and faster package download speed doesn't really outweigh the extra time you spend trying to find a fix to your random issue or problem, or trying to reinvent the wheel because your package isn't supported by Bun. In the end, as cool as Bun is, it's not suitable for really any projects besides personal experimentation. I'll be following Bun as it leaves beta, and I hope that it will improve and more people will adapt it so it become a more usable technology. But if you're looking for a Node.js alternative to use in the present, I would recommend Deno. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, please like and subscribe as I'll be posting more videos in the future.